Hey guys, so today we wanted to share with you our most popular Magnaflow brands that we carry at Exhaust Addicts. These aren't an exhaustive list of all the Magnaflow products that Magnaflow carries, but this is just what we carry because this is what tends to sell in our shop. So we've ordered them from left to right, from quietest to loudest, and we wanted to share them with you guys, sort of give some education, see what you guys think you would want out of this lineup. So let's get started with the 22-inch body Magnaflow. This one is part number 12289. As you can see, it is an enormous muffler. It's not a big upgrade from stock. These typically go on trucks and SUVs. They don't really fit on Mustangs and Camaros and sports cars like that. So this is for somebody who just wants to increase their flow, but not really increase their sound by too much. They don't want too much interior noise. They don't want too much drone. Sometimes, you have family or kids. This would be a good choice to go with just because it's on the quieter side of things. It doesn't really increase sound by all that much, if at all, really, depending on the vehicle. So here's a sound clip that I'll show you guys with a 22-inch Magnaflow. Hope you enjoy.
Really nice and deep.
So next up, we have the 18-inch Magnaflow. This one is part number 12288. This is a bit more of an upgrade from stock. It's also going to be louder than the 22-inch, simply because it's smaller. And this is good also for people with family, people with kids, anything like that. It won't cause that much interior drone noise, but it will help with flow, it will help with all that. So if you do plan on making any modifications to your truck or SUV, making it more power, this will help increase flow for that. So overall though, it won't change the exhaust sound all that much. So here's what the 18-inch Magnaflow will sound like.
Much better. A lot deeper. Decibels on it again, right at 95. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it out. It's under 100 decibels. Doesn't drone too much inside. It just gives it a nice deep tone. Got a nice look to it. Custom lights. I like it. It's just clean car all the way around. Mirror finish to it too. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Yukon Magnaflow 18-inch body, muffler, 4-inch tip. That's perfect. Enjoy, guys.
Next up, we have the 14-inch body Magnaflow. This is where we start to get into some aggressive sound. It's more aggressive than either of the ones I mentioned earlier, and it's going to increase interior drone. So it's just something to keep in mind. If you have a family, you might not like this one just because how much interior drone it causes. But overall, Same flow you'll get out of these two, just a little bit louder. This one's part number is 12198. So for example, here is what the 14-inch Magnaflow will sound like. Oh, that's a nice little rumble. Wow. Sound decibels? 98. Right at 100. That's good, so it won't cause too much interior drone. Idle is really nice and quiet though, you barely hear it. Hear it on the inside. That's a clean sound. Next we have the 11-inch Magnaflow. This is a fairly aggressive muffler. Overall, you're going to experience a lot of drone with this muffler, but you also experience a nice exterior sound as well. So this is something definitely you want to consider if you have a family. Maybe go with one of the quieter choices before you go with the 11-inch.
Got the noise, but not as good as before. But it's okay.
Hey, we got the fours. We got the fours.
Exactly.
We'll always remember her
Yeah.
as she was.
As she was. Before the damn neighbors got involved. His main complaint was it's too loud when he's driving idle. So it's quiet when he warms it up in the morning. It'll be quiet. You don't really hear it. As you guys can tell, you can barely hear it. That's what that 11-inch muffler will do.
Lastly, we have the loudest Magnaflow that we offer, which is the Magnaflow Magnapack, part number 10416. This one will provide the best flow of all of the mufflers I've shown you guys today, simply because it's straight through design. So in terms of flow, this one's the best. In terms of sound, it is the loudest, but it's not overbearingly loud like maybe some Flowmasters or Cherry Bombs can be. It still provides that deep Magnaflow sound. You guys can hear it here.
Chevy SF 6.0. Nice. You can hear the cold air intake on it. Your sound decibels? 108. Not bad. It's different.
you really can't go wrong with any of these mufflers. It's all about what your preference is, how loud you want it, what your goals are in terms of performance. If you want to just maximize flow or without a lot of noise, or you want to maximize flow and noise. It just depends on what you want and what your goals are. So we hope you guys like this video. Let us know if you want more videos like this, or any thoughts on how we can improve these kinds of videos. Let us know in the comments, and like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe.